Samsung confirmed this week that its next flagship phone will be unveiled in February. We didn't get an exact date, but the company usually times the announcement to coincide with Mobile World Congress, an annual expo set for February 26 to March 1. So you can expect the Galaxy S9 to debut around then. In the meantime, we already know a decent amount about Samsung's next phone thanks to a mix of official announcements and promising leaks. Here's a quick rundown of what to expect from the Galaxy S9 to help you decide whether it's worth waiting for. An alleged retail box for the Galaxy S9 leaked this week on Reddit, revealing a long list of hardware included in the new phone. If the leak is to be believed, and it does look pretty official, the S9 won't be a huge upgrade when it comes to specs. Expect the same high-resolution 5.8-inch display, the same internal storage options, 64GB, the same memory, 4GB of RAM, the same special earbuds, and the same water-resistant build. The Galaxy S9 also supports wireless charging, but that's been a standby Samsung feature for years. Overall, it may not sound like much of an upgrade, but Samsung could still surprise us in on key area, the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is coming next month at MWC 2018, but some specs might have been outed by an alleged retail box that got pictured. Although most of the specs look similar to the current Galaxy S8, there are a couple of interesting additions: stereo speakers and variable aperture for the dual-pixel 12MP camera. The box says f1.5, f2.4, meaning Samsung will implement a variable aperture like the one in the Chinese exclusive Samsung W2018. The camera will also shoot super slow MO videos, so we might finally see 1000 fps videos that were rumored back in early 2017. Another nice feature that should have come earlier is stereo speakers, tuned by AKG. Now proper stereo speakers are unlikely given the leaked renders, as they indicate even slimmer bezels than the Galaxy S8. What we are more likely to get is the earpiece acting as the second. Other specs on the retail box include plenty of similarities to the current Galaxy S8. The screen will have a Super AMOLED panel with Quad HD and resolution. The RAM will be 4GB, and the internal storage is 64GB. The selfie camera will be 8MP with AF. The phone will support wireless charging and will come with AKG earphones. It will also be IP68 water and dust resistant. 1. Finally, it looks like Samsung could come up with a response to Apple's face scanning technology. Earlier this month, the company revealed its latest processor chip, the Exynos 9810, which offers face detection and will likely power at least some versions of the Galaxy S9. The Exynos 9810 could potentially match Face ID. It could also help Samsung copy Apple's popular Animoji feature. The only drawback is that the chip probably won't be used in US versions of the Galaxy S9. Samsung typically opts for a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor here instead. It's unclear if the company can come up with a solution, or whether it will be forced to ditch the feature entirely. That may explain why it's not listed on the leaked box, but iris scanner is. In the meantime, we'll just have to wait to find out.